Tonight, 3 sexual assault victims are suing Austin, Travis County, and other local leaders because they say they were denied justice. They claim local law enforcement ignores female victims, pointing to the only sexual assault case to go to trial last year involved a male victim. KXAN's Brittany Glass takes a look at some of the challenges these survivors say they faced.
I feel like they've disregarded me as a person, as a human being.
The Austin Police Department's DNA lab debacle started with this woman's case after she was attacked in October 2008. Her evidence was mixed up and her sexual assault case never tried.
They weren't sure that if they took it to a trial or to a jury that it would be in my favor because of all the mix-ups.
The federal suit says sexual assault is rarely prosecuted, particularly when the victim is a woman. Survivors like Amy Smith and Marina Connor.
I had a stranger assault me in a parking garage, and it just completely takes your sense of self from you.
It took 745 days for Connor to receive her backlogged rape kit results. But the DA's office told her there wasn't enough evidence to prosecute.
It is completely just as traumatizing, almost as traumatizing as the rape itself, to receive that phone call that you aren't going to get justice.
They say it's about priorities. Look at this man, Safa Bell, referred to in the lawsuit as a Travis County serial rapist. He was the only defendant, they say, between the summer of 2016 and 2017 that went to trial in a sex assault case in Travis County. Bell was convicted of raping a man after being accused of raping 2 women in 2013. Brittany Glass, KXAN News.
We are working to get responses from each person sued. Most representatives we spoke with today told us they do not comment on pending lawsuits.